this to there's stuff on here.
Yeah. Well, one of them should just be a Windows installation. What's on the other one? Yeah, if the one that does not have the Windows installation, damn it.
Yeah, there's 513 gigabytes of stuff on here.
All right, fine. Is that the one with or without the Windows installation?
Are these yours or
no?
This is the one without Windows.
Okay, don't format that one and just plug it back into the computer. The other one that has the Windows installation needs to be formatted because if he tries to plug it into the computer will try and boot to it. Which is a no-no.
Yeah, because there's like...
I wonder if that is all that needed.
This one's got 237. Can I make like... I mean, his other hard drive's here. Why don't I just drag the information over?
What drag what information over?
He's got stuff on here in program files.
What's he going to do with program files? He's not going to have the registry.
Oh, well, it's like Call of Duty Modern Warfare.
Format the computer. Format the hard drive. The one that has data on it that isn't a Windows drive, unplug, put with the desktop, like now, and then the other one just format it, because that's what he asked. So we're doing what he asked.
F? Let's see if this one's up. See if I grab the right one.
Oh, look at that. That's all that needed. That'd be nice. Trying to figure out when my... there it goes. Now it's working.
I thought those pistachios were pretty solid.
Okay, so I'm going to stop you right there because you definitely did not call Windows. You called probably some Indian call center, and hopefully you didn't give them any money. Okay, yeah, because yeah, that whole thing is a scam. So yes, you let them onto your computer. Yeah, they probably asked you to go to a website or something along those lines, and then they remotely connected in once you downloaded the software. No, yeah, McAfee doesn't help when you're like actively telling the computer, yes, go ahead and let them do this. Believe me when I say, like, this isn't like a you problem. This is like a national problem that affects a lot of people, unfortunately, especially when people over the age of 55 are especially vulnerable to it. Don't call anybody. I know it sounds like I'm making a joke, but I'm being very serious. Like, anytime a website tells you to call somebody, it's going to be a scam. Sure. Yeah, you have, like, the thing is, like, on a day-to-day basis, you share the same IP address with maybe 100 different people every time your router turns itself off and on. Yeah, so that's normal. So, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so at this point I would just, honestly, if you let them onto your computer, you probably should just turn it off and bring it in. Let me take a look at it, so I can make sure that they didn't leave anything behind. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I can schedule something to get out there, but it won't be till after Christmas. It'll be like to come out there and do a deep clean. It'll be $150. Yep. All right, hold on a second. Let me pull up my system real quick. That'd be Matt. We usually do it $100 an hour, so half of that. If he only wants a half an hour.
Okay, that works out. Yeah, so just do $50 for that 30 minutes, like a 30-minute session. And my name is Matt. It should be easy to remember that. January 7th, 10 a.m. with Matt. And I got the price on that for you. So, 30-minute session, and then, yeah, anything happens between now and then, you can always call.
I don't think it will, because this is going to take place probably April 9th. But I want to go ahead and get a start on doing some research. And what I'm going to be doing, or what we're going to be doing, is looking at different areas and finding out, what's available in that area as far as apartments.
Okay.
Oh, it's the same thing Peter was doing.
Bradenton.
Right.
I put in Bradenton.
You hearing that, Mom?
Florida, and then underneath that, I want to look at motels or apartments and so forth.
How's Peter doing, anyways?
Areas or everything, like restaurants too, and just anything in the area, or specifically like.
Mother?
No,
I'm talking to you.
No, nothing very specific.
I said, how is Peter doing?
I don't know, I heard from him.
Good.
I blocked his calls and I didn't return any of his messages.
Good.
And things of that sort.
Okay.
Told you it's the only way to get rid of him.
Stores and drugstores and
Yeah.
stuff like that. No.
Yeah. And what we'll do is Google Maps has like a good basically filter section. So there's the service we'll be able to use, and I'm instructing you on and show you. It's completely free, and it's something that once I instruct you on, I'll take some notes and stuff. It'll be something later, and then we'll additional cost for it.
So you got me down.
Yes, sir. I got it on the calendar here. Yes, sir.
Okay, have a nice Christmas and thank you, sir.
Yeah, you too. Merry
I'll see you in a couple of weeks.
Yes, sir. See you then.
What's going on here? Why does this not work?
Yeah.
Yeah, just not the non-formatted one was not plugged in at any point. My battery's dying. Pretty sure we sold this desktop.
With this case, is the SATA, is it this back area
What's the cables that are just floating down there?
hanging out?
Yep. It's a SATA. It's not in the back. It's on the front.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. Right, literally right there. Yeah, both of those.
what about for, because you have two hard drives?
You only have one plugged in. Hey, I don't argue with people.
I'm not gonna argue with them.
I hear the argumentative tone in your voice.
I'm just
Yeah,
confused.
I'll take 25% of every one of those that you do. How about that?
I think that's only fair.
Because like legitimately, like if I get to a point where you're making like $3,000 a weekend,
I mean, because you'd be paying me, and then
I
I'd be
understand.
also getting money. That doesn't make sense.
yeah, I understand. I don't want any part of it. That's all I'm saying. Like I will sell it because I can sell
I
it.
would be the part of it, and then you can make money off the business you're bringing in.